In this video we're going to have a quick look at the elements that are used in the landing page. So if I just go to the first headline here, we can see we've got the Lato font used, and we've also got a -1 pixel spacing. This is the letter spacing, the spacing between each of the letters in that headline set to -1. You could easily change that around, play with it, see how it looks. The subheading below that doesn't have any spacing, that's just using the standard 0 pixels. Looking at the video player, we've got this bold white border on it. You could easily change that if you click on the pencil icon, go into the video player, scroll down, and here you can choose the border color and you can change the size. So something like that is worth changing and playing with. You might want to try the orange color, the same color from the orange button, see how that looks. Going over on the right here, we have this bullet list. So if I edit this list, it is white text showing on a white background, so you can't see it. And here we have the icon used. Again, it's a white icon on a white background, but it is there, it's a custom icon. And here's the text used in each of those 3 bullet items, and you can add more in, or you can edit this text if you don't want to have any more than 3. If we take a look at this element as well and we click on the little cogwheel, we can see we have an element class. This is called OptimizePress. So if we go to the page settings in other scripts, scroll down here, we can see we have OptimizePress. Now I appreciate you might need to know a little bit of CSS to understand this. The point 2 here is the transparency of that background color, and the RGB is actually the color. So you could change that if you know some CSS. And the radius you've got here is showing 10 pixels. This is the circular radius on the corner of the box. You could change that to 5 or 7 or play around with it. See if you want to increase the circular curve on the corners. If you do make any changes to this transparent background image, it'll apply to all 3 of them because they're using the same class. And if you click on them, the cogwheel, you can see the same classes there, unless you were to code your own new class. Looking at the overlay optimizer, if we go into the overlay optimizer and go to the advanced options, from here you can change the style, the padding, the border color. You know, this is for the window that actually pops up, so you could change some of the styles in there if you wanted. And the actual overlay optimizer content is the opt-in form with a custom button. So if you wanted to grab the orange color, you could jump in there and see what colors used for that orange, and then you could apply it to the video player border. But that's the template. It's pretty straightforward. With the social icons, they're the same. You could obviously switch them out with the social icons, but it's a lovely template, perfect for any kind of blueprint, delivering some kind of report as the landing page. And play around with testing the button colors, maybe trying even a white button with a different color, like a darker text on it or a blue text. See how that looks.